Hey everyone! In this video, we'll explain the merge feature of the contour cutting function found in the variable data wizard. In this project, we want to create bike stickers where we'll replace the names of the cyclist and the country flag where the cyclist comes from. Each sticker will have its own contour cut line. In the same example, we'll show you how the merge function will take 4 individual cut lines and force them into a single path, so your sticker is a single cutout. We'll start by importing a flag into our queue. To access the Variable Data Wizard, or VDW, right-click on the flag graphic loaded into the queue and select Variable Data Wizard. With the VDW window now open, we need to resize the image. To make sure that all other flag images will be resized, select the flag and tick To Fit in the Smart Bar above. Next, to the left, change the object width to 1.377 inches and press Enter. The object height will change proportionally. We now want to add text to the sticker. Move the flag to the middle left of the screen, and after selecting the text tool, click and drag a box to the right of the flag. This will represent the maximum area I want the text to take up. If the replacement text is longer, it automatically scales to enable the text to remain within the bounding box. Before typing, we chose the font Railway Bold and set the font size to 0.6 inches. Now type the words Name of Cyclist in all caps. Having the text in all caps will help when vertically centering the objects. The ascenders and descenders of lowercase text can result in inaccurate centering. To center the objects, click the Select tool, select both items, and click the Alt and Home buttons at the same time. With the objects still selected, click on the Contour Cut tool. We'll create a contour cut with the following settings: outside only, so the inside-outside box remains unticked, a 0.08 inch offset, and contour cut color set to red. Click Apply, and in the monochrome filter, set the value to 250. Click OK. You can see that the resulting contour cut is not connected and has 4 parts. These parts can be joined by using the Merge feature. Select the tick box for Merge and set the tightness to Extreme by dragging the slide to the left. Click Apply. The contour cut remained in 4 parts. We can try Merge again, but this time use a lesser tightness setting. Drag the slider farther to the right. Click Apply, keeping the monochrome filter value set at 250. Click OK. The separate contour cut lines merged and have now become one smooth cut line. Next, we'll replace the text and flag images. Click on the Variable Data icon to the left. Now that the Variable Data Wizard dialog is open, you can tick the Replacement Data File box and navigate to the replacement file, which for this project is an Excel workbook file. If we look at the content of the Excel file, you'll see that each entry has the text to be replaced in the sticker and the exact path of the location of the graphic to be used. Now back in the VDW dialog, we set replacements for both items. These represent the flag graphic and the name of the cyclist. If you applied the text by clicking on the work area and did not use a text bounding box, you'll need to constrain the text so longer names don't extend beyond the intended design. To do this, tick the box for Use Original Text as Maximum Length found at the lower left of the dialog. This will ensure the replacement text will not extend farther than the text that you input when creating the design. In this case, it was Name of Cyclist. Click Next. Tick the box for I want to customize the output material size. Set the output size to 1.77 inches by 9.84 inches and click Next. The text substitution dialog will open, and upon further investigation, we can see that the columns for the names and the flags are reversed. To change this, click the top of the left column. This will select the entire column. With the arrow keys found at the top, click the right arrow key and you'll see the content of the left column move to the right. Now that the columns are set up correctly, click OK to send the sticker jobs to the queue. The jobs will now load into the queue, ready for printing and cutting. The stickers are all the same size, and each contour cut is adjusted for the unique text in each sticker. In your queue properties, you can set an additional weed border, which will be explained in another video. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us at any time. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos covering all of Cutlines products.